Hey, what's up guys, welcome back, and today we have the Sony WH-1000XM4s for the unboxing. I ordered them from Amazon and well, the name could have been better but the products couldn't because these are almost already perfect. So like I suggest all the times, you should record whatever you buy from Amazon here in India, especially because sometimes you get fake or open products. So for the safety, you should unbox it on camera, and that's what I always do because even in the Sony's reviews, I have seen some guys getting open products. So let's see, do I have the renewed ones or the open ones or the new ones? Well, like always, I have the new ones because I trust Amazon. They have never proven me wrong. So here are the Sony WH-1000XM4s. Here's the bill. I shouldn't show you, so I'm gonna blur it out in the post. So I bought the Sony WH-1000XM3s for 23,500 rupees, which is a good deal considering that they usually sell for 30,000 rupees. On the back of the case we can see there is like instructions on how to use, and on the side we can still see 30,000 rupees printed, which is the MRP of the Sony WH-1000XM4s, but they were being sold on Amazon for 23,000 ish, so I got them from there, and that's why it's a really good deal. Now let's quickly open up the Sony WH-1000XM4s and see what we get inside. So let's peel up the plastic cover, which I could do this elegantly. Should I? No. I'm never going to do it elegantly because going inside like an animal is just another level of fun. Let's open it up. Wiggle. Why does it not come off? Oh. It's a slide thing, man. I have never seen unboxings of the XM4s and the 3s, so genuinely I did not know that they slide out. So let's open up the Sony's, and here we have some instructions. I can see over here is the setup, configurations and installation flash. That's not English for sure. So now here we have the Sony WH-1000XM4s in the carrying case. The carrying case is quite sturdy, so it should be able to absorb a couple of falls if you accidentally does manage to drop it. Inside the box we get some Sony 360 reality audio stuff, retrial stuff. We have the net on the back side for carrying some other stuff, and then we have this loop for hanging it, and then the copper themed chain. This chain actually looks quite awesome with this black case. I have never seen the XM4s before, never even seen the XM3s in reality, so this is going to be my first impression. Yes, it's here, and boy do they look awesome. So let's see what do we get inside. So here we have a 3.5 to 3.5 mm earphone cable for wired headphone uses. And then there are the headphone plug. What the hell is that? I don't know. I will Google it up what it is. And then we have the criminally short USB-C cable. This should be illegal. We are paying 30,000 rupees for these pair of headphones, and you can't even give us a proper 2-foot long cable. But nevertheless, the headphones, we are paying for them and they are just excellent. I have never seen these, like I said, so I am over the roof excited about these. They feel quite sturdy enough, and some say that these are like dead headphones, and I agree because they are not super funky. They do have like great cushionings, and as we can see the proximity sensor inside of it, so you can play pause while you take off the earphones, but they are not super funky like the Bose or the studio headphones with the rotating dial and whatnot. Here we have the USB-C looking microphone hole. I really used to think that these are USB-C slots, which have fooled me for a really long time. Then at the bottom we have the 3.5 mm jack and the real actual USB-C slot, and then we have the power button and the custom button, which can be customized to a lot of things. On the top the cushioning is quite good, on the earphones the cushioning is quite good, and I will make a separate video about how to connect them to your Windows PC and how to connect them to your iPhones, Androids and whatnots. So for that, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This was just a quick unboxing, just a quick overview, and for more stuff on the Sony XM4 including the noise test, the call quality test, just make sure to subscribe. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.